I'm Joe. This is Camp Out Cooking.
Hi, today we're going to be talking about how to make Christmas cookies on a camp out and other holiday treats. The first cookies that we're going to make are the no-bake cookies. These are going to be cooked in a pan over a camping stove. We're going to post the recipes to each of these cookies and treats in the description below. Now we're going to be making sufganiat and frying them. Part of my pronunciation if that is wrong. These are traditionally donuts that are eaten during Hanukkah.
Next, we're going to be using a reflector oven to bake cookies. Next, we'll be making cookies in the Dutch oven. From everybody at the Scotty 101 team, happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays, everybody.
Try that again.
Whoa!